So Swiss Airlines brand new A350 is currently flying to Boston, and I'm just going to show you some stuff. The flight time 7 hours and 58 minutes, 3,254 nautical miles, and those are its last flights. It's currently at 40,000 feet. Its ground speed was 450 knots. And, yeah, so there's a latitude and longitude. Those are some of the travelers. It has a total of 307 users are on this flight right now, which is kind of crazy, but also not that crazy because, it's the first flight for the Swiss Airlines brand new A350. So I just wanted to post this video just so you guys see some of the information of this brand new flight on the A350. It's the first long-haul international flight, and there's the route there from Zurich to Boston. It's going to arrive in Boston at about 8:29 p.m., and it left Zurich at 6:37 p.m. Okay, bye.